Hi friends, welcome back to your Reset Retreat designed to help you improve your strength, energy, and mobility while reducing stress and tension and improving your everyday healthy habits so you can live your life with more freedom and joy. Today is day 4 and it's abs day. I'm so glad you're here. Let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start laying down on the ground. So come around to face the front of the mat, sit up tall, reach your arms forward, and exhale as you lay your spine down bone by bone onto the ground. Legs are hip distance apart. Take a full breath in, feeling the ribs stretch onto the mat, and full breath out, feeling that connection with the abdominals as it scoops in and up. Full breath in. Feeling your whole body expand and open as you exhale, feeling your mind calm. One more time, full breath in with fresh air and exhale, calming the nervous system, softening the muscles, and set your sacred intention for yourself here today. And let's get cruising and moving on our retreat. From here, bring your right leg into tabletop for knee fold and then left leg into tabletop. Knees are stacked right on top of the hips and hinge one leg down, maintaining that pelvis still and up. Lower the other leg down. So exercises like this is so important for your abdominal engagement as well as for your pelvic floor as well. It's not so much we have to think about it. It just automatically fires and engages naturally. And it's also a great way of warming up the body, getting it ready for more dynamic movement. Modification is you keep both legs down and you just go up one leg at a time, okay? So find a version that works for you, keeps you moving forward, keeping your neck soft, collarbone wide and open so you can breathe well and feel well. One more each side, last side, and lower both legs down. Bring the hands behind your head and elbows come slightly off the mat for neck curl from here. Inhale and exhale as you lift the head, neck, and the shoulders up. Exhaling out all the air, gaze at your abdominal and roll the spine down bone by bone, maintaining the length of the spine. Take a deep breath, inhale at the bottom. As you exhale, scoop the abdominals in and up, head, neck, and the shoulder peels up with ease, and exhale to roll down. So we're making sure we're segmentally moving up and down. Exhale out, bringing up all of that air and roll back down, warming up those abdominals a little more. And exhale, reach up and over. You're doing great. And roll back down. Bring both hands back down to the side for single leg stretch. Right leg in, left leg out into diagonal and switch and hold the other leg. You can keep your head down or lift your head up to look at your abdominal and switch, switch. Modification, you can also reach the leg straight up or into a 45 degree. Maintaining that those abdominals engaged as you move the arms and legs, one hand on the knee, one hand by the ankles. Your collarbone are wide, so keep that open posture for breathing and switch. And it also feels good when your collarbone is wide and open, right, rather than scrunched. Keeping your ribs still on the mat as you switch and hold the opposite leg. You're doing a great job. Last two, last one. Bend both knees in and bring the legs into tabletop. So the legs are glued together and hands come into a V or a T. Let's do a T if you can and palm up for supine spine twist. From here, take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Inhale, bring the pelvis up and over as the leg sways. The scapula is pressing down and exhale, engaging the abdominals to bring it back in. And inhale, reach across to the other side. And exhale to bring it back in. It can be smaller movements or bigger. This is where I can go while trying to keep the ribs as much as I can. The ribs will peel a little bit, strengthening those obliques and at the same time, improving the mobility and flexibility of our ribs and our spine. This also is really good for releasing tension as well. I don't know about you, but I tend to have tight upper back. So this is a great one to do. Modification, you can keep your feet down and just sway the knees and the legs like this. All right, guys, let's make this our last set. Twist. Last side. Eyes to the sky. And center for double leg stretch. Bend both knees and place the hands on the outside bottom part of your leg. Reach the arms and the legs out. Straight, circle the legs, or bend the knees, circle the arms in. Inhale, reach up, palm up. Exhale to bring it in. Feel the scapula engage the movement to reach the arms out and circle the arms, and you feel the scapula move in the mat. This is a really good exercise, not only for strengthening your abdominals, but also for your shoulders and your arms out and in. Imagine you're going through water flowing in and out. Imagine you're bouncing off that wall. Open and close. Last two. Modification if you need it. You can go straight up towards the ceiling. Well done. Go ahead and turn your head side to stretch out the neck. Back to your center, going into our crisscross. Place both hands behind your head. From here, knees are in tabletop position to begin. Lift your upper body up and over to look at your abdominal. From here, right leg in, left leg out. Twist and rotate your shoulders, your trunk towards the bent knee. Meet in the middle, and then you switch and center. You're doing an awesome job. You're here. Be patient with yourself. If you find this hard, slow down your pace. Be patient, be kind. You can do this. Allow yourself to learn and grow. Last one. Well done. Lower the legs down for one leg circle. Straighten one leg out on the ground. Anchor that foot down and bring the other leg up. Modification, you can bend that bottom knee for more support. From here, engaging the abdominals to stabilize, circle the leg towards the center, around and up. So I only want you to make the circle as big as you can while maintaining that pelvis still and maintaining that engagement from the abdominals. Draw a circle in the sky. I like doing this with my palm up because it just helps me open up my upper back and front of my chest. That's what I need. Last two. Last one. Well done. Go ahead and give your leg a little hug. Straighten that leg out. Bend that opposite leg in and straight up. Or you can keep that bottom leg bent. Find your version. And from here, leg circle in. Around and up. Maintaining that pelvis still. Circle. You can even place your hand on your stomach to feel if the abdominals are engaged. It's a good way of getting that tactical feedback. Around and in. Last two. Last one, and center. Bend the knee in, hug it in, and straighten the legs out. Turn over onto your stomach for Swan. This is an excellent exercise for your stomach to stretch it out. From here, bring your hands outside of your shoulders. Press the hips down and lift the head, neck, and the shoulders up. Head is in line with your spine. Head is still looking down. And roll back down as you exhale out all the air. Rest the forehead on the mat. Breathe in as you lift, lengthen from your tailbone to the top of your spine. And exhale. Glide the shoulder blades down the back. Glide the shoulder blades as you rise up. Feeling the stretch through the front of the stomach as well as the back. Last one. Inhale, rise up. Well done. Tuck your toes under and press back into a well-deserved rest position here. Breathe. Feel your lungs expand, ribs expand, hips stretch. And walk your hands back towards your knees. And turn around to face me. Circle the arms up. Flex the wrist. Open the arms out to the side, feeling the stretch along the arms as well. Feeling your chest open. And rest the hands by your side. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a breath in calming breath out. And note how you feel, that sense of energy and glow, feeling refreshed and renewed. Smile and open your eyes. Congratulations, you did it. You completed day 4, the abs. Keep this great momentum you got going, creating this healthy habit for physical, mental, and emotional wellness. Stick with me and I'll see you back here very soon for day 5. Thanks for joining me today. If you like this video and want to see more classes like this video, subscribe to this channel, and let me know how today's class went for you in the comment section below.